Good morning. So we're back here to finish this job. Did not do a video at the end of the day. Just didn't have time. Weather was crap. So finishing this Pondless Waterfall, which we've got this stream and waterfall that are pretty close to being done. We got to finish the last turn, which is right up in here, and gonna get that buttoned up this morning. Then we'll get our liner and everything set. I got to get a piece of driftwood in here and get that machine out, and then work our way back out of this property and clean out going down the hill. Small pile of boulders, but we're going to use all that. And then lastly is to clean up and do finish work, like, you know, we've got mossing to do. So that's our game plan. We're going to work on this today, and I really want to get this done because we're backed up with a lot of other projects. So we'll probably start to see a time lapse just right about now. everyone. So that's the end of this job in Melville. We built 3 features. I'm hoping for another 1 or 2 from him. This is the last one, the Pondless Waterfall. It's about a 4-foot change in grade over the course of 18 feet that it meanders down here, swings around back and forth, drops down into a basin area over there that we've got 12 aquabox, 8 aquabox, something like that. My brain isn't working right now, but let me know what you think. I like this one. Use some really big stones in this. I mean, some of these on the edge here, you know, that's 30 by 30. Most of these are really set and really flat, so you can see the backyard. They've got the pool open now. So if I walk back a couple steps and you want to step back and look at this, you'll hear the sound, because the pool doesn't give you a sound, but this does. But you've got viewpoints right here, over there, up there, all these. So if different spots in the yard, you can sit back and enjoy yourself. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy yourself. I'll show you what the other one looks like.